Okay, so Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Dr. and my fellow friends. So today my group is going to present about the business model canvas, which we came out with one app which is called TransportBit. So TransportBit, it's actually an app where we want to enhance the public to use public transportation more. Okay, so the value proposition of our product is it is the first Iron measure that promote public transportation. So our project purpose is to promote and enhance the public to use public transport. The app was made actually to encourage people to use public transport regularly to their desired places. So actually you can see that nowadays there's a lot of people use their own car instead of public transportation to go to work, to school, to anywhere they want. So the app was customized to collect points for those who use public transport. The points later can be claimed if those people who use the app has collect a lot of points. So we set at certain amount of points where if those people has reached the point we will give like gifts as a reward. So other than that, it can reduce pollution and accidents. And obviously, air and sound pollution can be reduced due to the less usage of personal transport. We reduce the usage of transport because a lot of people use public transportation already. So, enough. Other than that, the road accidents can be avoided if there's less transport on the road and the safety percentage will probably increase. So the customer segment of our product, which is those people who are targeting is obviously the mass market. So everyone who use transport, especially for those who use personal transport, they are our target. And it can be also the public who do not use transportation. So by doing this, TransportBit, even though who does not use transportation, we can promote them to use the public transportation more. And the advertising. So we are getting our apps to those to the advertising because a company or organization who could promote our app and advertise them. So it will help us to get our app well known all over the places. Yes, advertiser who can give the big influence to the public. So our app can be promoted. Thank you, that's all.
Assalamualaikum. So today I would like to explain on how people gonna get access to our app. Once our TransPoint app is launched, it will be available on Google Play Store, App Store and also Microsoft Store for free. Our aim is also to make our app can be installed on any device operating system.
Next is about the customer relationship, where we are maintaining the long-term relationship with our users by providing them rewards of a free ride as they use our apps as their daily basis. Second is on the environmental impact, where our apps encouraging people to use public transport as we pointing out the positive impacts on the environment by reducing the gas emissions and the air pollution. Next is about the key activities what require us to make our product. First is the administrations, where these administrations help to optimize the results through the user's business profile. Second is about the applications update, where this apps update tends to fix the bugs and improve the security by get the latest versions of our apps.
Moving on, our key partners will be Prasarana Malaysia Berhad, which is one of the Malaysia largest public transport company, and we are planning to work with its subsidiaries such as Rapid Bus Sdn Bhd and Rapid Rail Sdn Bhd, which Rapid Rail Sdn Bhd consists of MRT and LRT line. Next will be key resources, which describe what is most important things that needed to ensure that our apps working. So first of all, we will need users profile, which are the driving force for determining that things such as a language that will be used by the users and to increase the interaction with the users and our app. Next will be human resources. So human resources were there to ensure that our app will run smoothly. And so that's why we also need a human resources team. The job scope for the human resources is from designing and creating the app to providing services for the customers. And lastly would be intellectual resources that such as partnership and customer database.
Cost structure. So what is cost structure basically? So cost structure means that types and relative proportion of fixed and variable costs incurred by business. So cost structure in our application, our project now is on the planning and manufacturing, administration, deployment, features, and testing in order for us for their infrastructure. Revenue streams. So revenue stream are the various sources from which a business earn money from the sale of goods or provide of a service on their platform. So for this, on our cases, we want to create transportation bit. So through this transportation bit, we can use advertisement in apps as our revenue stream. So taking fee for showing a product service or even brand on e-transportation bit. So we will putting space or an ads on our application so that we all the product or all the people that use our service to promote their can use our service to promote their product on our application. So how money can be earning? So money can be earned through the number of visitors who see or click on them because we manage to promote the product from someone organization or from something organization.